I have
2.
2 holes plus, how many holes?
1, 2, 3, 4
Plus 2
equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ta-da! We have 6 holes. Good job. Nice one. You want more?
Yes.
You want more? Sige. I have how many hole in this one?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sa Tagalog,
Isa, dalawa, tatlo,
apat na butas. Plus, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, 4 plus 4 equals
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, 4 plus 4 is equals
8.
8 sa Tagalog ay?
What happened to that time?
It's already 6. Because it's not digital. Hindi siya digital, kaya ganyan yung time. Okay? O, come again. 8 sa Tagalog ay?
4 plus 4.
Sa Tagalog,
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo.
8.
Walo!
Okay, you want more?
Yes.
So, okay. I'll give you this one. How many hole?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Plus
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
equals
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
sa Tagalog ay
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, 10.
10 butas. Ang galing naman. You want me to add more?
Yes.
Okay, 10 plus 2. Can you count? 10, di ba 10 to? Plus 2. Ito, I'll put the 2. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ilan?
12.
So, 10 plus 2 equals 12.
12.
Good job! Nice shot! Iyan, ilan yan?
So, we need to build a puzzle.
Oh, you're building a puzzle.
Yeah.
Wow. So how many holes that one? It's a lot. Good job. Ay! Tata will make also the puzzle. Can I? Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Here's the dalawa.
This one.
Tata make also. Akin ba nasa flowers? Pamalimin sila. No. No, no, no. Did Tata make a good job? Can you get the camera so we will show it to them?
Okay. 10.
How many?
5. 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Sa Tagalog?
Walo.
What? Good job. Ang kilig mo naman, AC.
An easy. No, AC dyan sa house.
Sa ZZ yun.
Yeah,
ZZ, ikaw kasi, Austin Carl, so it means A at saka C.
A, tsaka C.
Oo. Diba? Nag-start yung Austin sa letter A. So, A. Tapos yung Carl, nag-start sa letter C. Kaya, AC.
What happened to the time?
The time? The time is almost 6. 5 minutes na lang, magsi-6 na. So, this one is 6. When you count this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, total of 12 hours. But in whole day, we have 24 hours. Next time, we will talk about that. Okay. What's this?
That's what X marks the
Ah, so this one can be plus or
or X marks the spot.
ah,
X marks the spot. It's some diamond.
oh, like a diamond it's like a diamond in the sa hole kapag ka naka-X. Tama nga naman. Tama nga naman. Busy ka? Bakit? Yes? Finish! Can you get the camera? Slowly. Slowly. This is what Austin Carr did. Can you count the hole? This one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44,
And this one? We will count this one.
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52,
So there are 52
52.
holes.
52.
Good job. How about the other side? Can you count the other one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17,
16.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 59, 40, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68.
68. Can Tata count also?
Yeah.
Okay, Tata will count ha. Let me check if you got it right, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You stay here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78! Oh my God!
Too fast.
It's too fast.
Not yet.
We're not yet done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Build that puzzle.
You build that puzzle. I will build.
Yeah.
And you also?
Yes.
Okay, we will build. Where I will put this camera?
We'll put this back.
There. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Austin. I'm so sorry. You fix all your toys?
Oh yes.
Okay.
We need to fix all the Paw Patrol first.
Before we...
We get to cell phone. Cell phone. Huh? Hey,
Mm.
that was for some cards here.
Yeah. Yeah.
We Ma, hey Pa, look at the claw machine. Hey Poopa, hey, look at the claw machine. Hey, look at the claw machine. The claw machine. The claw machine can follow.
Hello, machine. Jeet, 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 jeet. Jeet. Uy, there's more. There's more. Good job. Nice one. How about the Toy Patrol? Wait lang ba? Akin na. I'll help you on that. It's very hard for you. It's easy. Just slowly. Because it's deformed already. Okay, the Toy Patrol. Oh, see? Did Tata did a good job also? You want there. Okay, next. Slowly. Everything you need to put it slowly. Gently. Okay? Push. Okay, good job. We need to close that. Opposite? Upside down? Oh, you did a good job. So I need to close the box. You need to do it gently. Okay?
Marshall, Rocky, Zumba, the outside too. Sky, Rebel, and Chase.
You read that one? Ulit? Which one?
Oh no!
It's okay. You want to fix it? Okay. You want to fix it?
Yeah.
Okay. Fix it.
Yes. No. The Zoom, the Rebel and can.
You want me to open it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And then you will fix it?
Yeah.
Okay. You will fix it according to the photos? Okay. Okay, you pull it down.
Oh,
So this one.
what happened to Mama?
I don't know. So see the photo.
No.
Where's the red one?
No.
Chismoso ka rin eh.
No. It's laughing. It's laughing me, Mama. It's laughing.
Okay. Next one is color green. I want the color green first. This one.
Okay.
Green. There. Okay. Next is color.
Um.
What's the color? What's that?
Orange.
Sa Tagalog.
Kahel.
Kahel. I think it's upside. I think it's not there. See? It's aligned to red and green and can you make it here? It's there. I think here. Can you try there? It's not. Okay. Baka upside down.
Baka Rebel this one.
Dyan ba yan? Okay. Ba't ba kasi ako nakikialam? Yeah. Ba't kasi ako nakikialam? I thought we're gonna follow the photos eh.
Ah. You want to help, Tata?
Oh, wait.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'll hold. No. I think it's upside down. So, okay, like that. Slowly. Tata told you slowly. Slowly. Good job. Okay. Then, Tata will help you to close this one. Diba?
Good job. Let's clean up.
Where are we gonna put this one?
There.
Okay. Good job. Can you say bye-bye? Ah, not this one.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, vlogs.
Bye, vlog. Like and subscribe.
Nahihilo na ako. Done.